We are in Tennessee and it's a storm. I am waiting for the lightning. There was lightning just a minute ago. I hope you saw that. There's lightning more on this side though. I'll leave it on this side.
Cold?
No?
Okay.
I'm just waiting for thunder. There's gonna be thunder soon, I hope. Someone got into an accident already, if you can hear. I zoomed in so you can see the thunder will. That's too far. I mean lightning, that's the lightning. You did see that because Emily, did you hear that? Yeah, I heard the thunder. I'll show you. There's a little streak of lightning up there. Can't see it. Check the flood out here. The flash flood warning was right, but it wasn't on the right day. And we're in Tennessee now, not in Las Vegas.
Are you on YouTube?
No. I might as well send it to YouTube after this though. Right.